Nothing's wrong with your toilet.
Nothing's wrong with the toilet. Go back to bed.
Oh, that, dude. Joey, there's something wrong with the toilet. Come here.
Oh,
I'm not
God,
joking.
Matt, there's nothing wrong with the toilets. What's wrong with the toilet, Matt?
Dude, it's like growling at me.
It looks fine to me. Toilets don't growl, Matt.
Dude, it bubbling, same thing.
It's not growling, Matt. So, it's not growling.
I'm not a plumber, man, okay? I don't know why it was doing that, alright?
Hey, Matt! My name is Mr. Toilet, and I'm gonna eat you and your as you sit on me!
Oh no, look, Matt! It's eating me, man!
Oh, man, help me!
It's eating my while I'm taking a shit!
Well,
Ah!
are you really going?
Get out! There's nothing wrong with it. Go to sleep, dude. This kid.